All right, out here, got the umbrella, doing a nitrogen test. Oh yeah. So I got the rector seal, cool braze. So I already put it around there, trying to see if I can get stop that leak, cover it up. So good thing for the handy dandy umbrella. Alrighty, I filled it up to 150. Not too bad of a braze. So it's holding. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit and just let it sit there. Hopefully it don't move, and then put it on a good vacuum and get started adding in the refrigerator and everything. But yeah, not too bad. Kind of hot out, 80 degrees. Got my bag. Yeah, got the fan over there, so just letting it sit. Let's double check it. Looks like it's holding. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So yeah, I'll give it a little bit more time to hold pressure just to make sure. But yeah, hopefully this is gonna be a good one and keep it moving. All right, got the Uniwell background gauge, hooked up the vacuum pump. So I'm just gonna start putting my nitrogen away, clean up here a little bit. Got that Trey Fox umbrella, Team Orange. It's dropping little by little. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pick up real quick and hopefully have enough time to spend with the family. So the microns go good, and when I put in the refrigerant, it should be good to go. So yeah, I'll just charge it up from the high side and just weigh it all in. Got the scale right over there. So yeah, just let it do its thing. It's dropping. One hole setup. Not bad, not bad. So, alright, let me start cleaning up. Alright, got the micron sensor 500. It did go up a little bit. I had the hose not tightened down so much, or it was a little loose. So I tightened it and then just started dropping. Then I double checked all the fittings too, make sure everything was good and tight. So it was. I like this setup with one hose, but I think I'm gonna get another core remover tool. Then I'm gonna use start using the second hose just to make it a lot faster. Yeah, so far so good. And then I'll probably switch out this Yellow Jacket, the Bullet. I love this thing. It's great. Never gave me any issues. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get away from this setup here, where I used take the power here. So I'll probably see if I can get away from this setup and just get the vacuum, the Uniwell vacuum, the battery operated one. So yeah, this is how I have it. Just have the big holes here into the suction line. And then I have my micron gauge core remover tool, and then I have this set up just like that. So yeah, I think it's gonna be my new thing right now to start doing. And then this setup is the Uniwell Max Evac, the Pro Kit. So that's pretty cool. See how high the K goes up. So I just turned it off. See how high it goes. It's gonna rise. It's just, you don't want to go into crazy numbers. But I'll probably, once it reaches to whatever number it goes to, I'll pull another vacuum again. Underneath the umbrella, trying to stay cool as possible. I don't want to be crazy hot. Got the umbrella there blocking the sun. All the sun is over there and I'm shaded. So what's that? Stopped at 700, 710. So I'm gonna do another vacuum. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Open this one up. And let it do its thing. Alright, so I got another Schrader cord remover. So this is my second one. So I found this one in my bag. I forgot about it. So yeah, now I got the 2-hole setup. So I just teed off of the right here from this port. Got that open. Got the microns there. And then that one's by itself over there. Big old hose coming in. Whoop. There you go. Dropping. I did change out the oil as well. So yeah, that boy's dropping. Yeah, that bad boy pulled down to 3. Like within less than 30 seconds, that shit pulled down past 500. Man, this is, yeah, I'm glad I did this test right here with the double hose. Yeah, that's pretty badass. I'm a little excited because I never done I never done it like this way. I just done it your old traditional way with your gauges and the analog style, the old school. You know, with the micron gauge. You know, it take forever, but man, this setup is way faster. So yeah, just teed off right there. So super cool.